In this video, I will show you how you can change the default keyboard on any Samsung tablet. Now to change the default keyboard on your Samsung tablet, first of all, just open the Google Play Store and from here just download any other keyboard. For an example, I will download Gboard. Now just install Gboard on your tablet. Once your preferred keyboard is downloaded, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just search this. Then just tap on Keyboard. And from here, just tap on the keyboard. After you arrive on this page, under All, just enable the toggle for the keyboard which you have downloaded. In our case, it is Gboard. After you enable the toggle for your keyboard, then just tap on Default Keyboard. And from here, just change the default keyboard from Samsung Keyboard to the keyboard which you have downloaded. Now, if I go to the home screen and if I open the keyboard on our tablet, as you can see, we have successfully changed the default keyboard on our tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.